Hey everyone, today we're going to be doing Saxon, lesson 36, the rule, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. So I'm going to show you guys two words, and I want you to tell me how these two words are alike. We have the word can and napkin. What is alike about these words? Good. It ends with a what? N. Good job. They both end with an N in the final position. What else do they both have? They both have the vowel A. Good job. Now I want you to listen to these words one more time and tell me if there's one more thing that you see that is alike about them. Can, napkin. What sound do they both have that is similar? Good job. They both have the k sound. Great. How are they different? Let's look at these two words and how are they different? Good. Napkin is longer. Napkin also has two what? Two vowels. Good job. When a word has more than one vowel sound, it has more than one syllable. You hear a syllable every time you hear a vowel sound. Let's listen for the syllables in some words. Echo these words and clap each time you hear a vowel sound. Bandit. Let's do that together. Bandit. Okay. Sunshine. Sunshine. Mat. Mat. How do we code this word? Right here. How do we code this word? What do you see? We code the what? Good. We code the vowel. Here's the vowel. How do we code that vowel? Well, let's take a look at it. It's followed by what? A consonant, so it gets coded with what? A breathe. Good job. What else do you see that needs to be coded in this word? Well, let's take a look at this first letter. What sound is it making? K. When C is making its K sound, it gets coded with what? A K back. Good job. All right, now, how many vowel sounds are in that word? One. Good. How many syllables does it have then? One. Let's see how many syllables are in napkin. Let's try. Napkin. Ooh, how many do you count? Napkin. Good, 2. Great job. When a word has more than one vowel sound, we must separate the word into syllables. This is called syllable division. Is there a suffix on this word? No. Other than vowels, do we need any special coding such as K-backs, voice lines, or twin consonants? Looking at this word. Nope. Things like K-backs, voice lines, and twin consonants are called obvious coding. We code them first so we can then concentrate on the vowels. Now we'll find the vowels. Let's write a small V under each one. Which letters in this word are vowels? Good. The A and the I. Now that we've written our V's underneath our vowels, we can see that this is called a vowel pattern. A vowel pattern is a pattern of letters that begins and ends with a vowel. Only consonants come between the vowels that begin and end the pattern. Let's look between these vowels to see how many consonants there are. We'll write a small C for consonant under each one. How many consonants come between the two vowels? Let's take a look. So here's our vowel A, 1 consonant, 2 consonants, and then our I. So how many come in between? 2. Good job. So let's write small c's under there. There we go. We have our small c's. Here we have a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern. We can call this a VCCV pattern. Now that we've identified the vowel pattern, we can divide the word. The best place to divide a VCCV word is between the two consonants. So we're going to divide it. This line is called a division line. It divides the syllables. This word has 2 syllables. When a word has more than 1 syllable, we put an accent mark on one of the syllables to show which syllable is accented. The accented syllable is the part of the word that we say longer, louder, and higher. The best place to try the accent on an unknown word is on the first syllable. So let's try that. So we're going to put a little accent here. Now we can code the vowels. We couldn't code the vowels before because we must always code vowels within syllables. Let's code the first syllable first. Is the vowel followed by a consonant in this syllable? Yes. How do we code a vowel followed by a consonant? With a what? Breathe. Great job. Okay, now we're going to cover up this as best we can. Is the vowel followed by a consonant in this syllable? Yes, good. How do we code it? With a what? A breathe. Great. So we're going to code the I with a breathe. Now, let's read the first syllable together. We'll stop at the division line. Nap. Good job. Now, let's uncover this and cover up the first syllable. Kin. Good job. Now let's put the 2 syllables together. Napkin. Now we say it with the accent on the first syllable. Napkin. Who can tell me what a napkin is? What's a napkin? Good job. One way to practice dividing VCCV words is to divide nonsense words. Even made-up words can follow the VCCV pattern. Let's take a look at these words. Look at the first word. What does that say? Well, let's try coding it to start. What do you see? How do we code it? With our VCCV pattern. What do we identify first? The vowels. Good job. So we're going to go down here. I spy a vowel. Do you? Good job. I. Then we have another vowel. A. And then we have how many consonants in the middle of them? 1, 2. 2 consonants. C, C. Okay, now what do we do in between those 2 consonants, guys? We slice it. Okay, let's look at this vowel. How do we code that vowel, the first vowel? It's followed by a consonant, so it gets coded with a breathe. And it says flip. Now let's look at the second syllable. It gets coded, the vowel in the second syllable gets coded with what? A breathe, because it's what? Followed by a consonant. Good job. So we have a silly nonsense word says flip yam. Flip yam. That's silly. All right, now let's take a look at the second word. We're going to code this. So we got to identify the vowels. Let's see. I see a vowel. U. Now let's look for another vowel. Oh, I think you see it. Oh, good job. How many consonants are in between them? Let's count. 1, 2. Good job. Get a different marker. And we'll write those down. Consonant, consonant. Okay. Now, what do we do in between the two consonants? Oops. I kind of moved it over on the M a little bit, but that's okay. Oh, and I forgot. What do we do up here? We forgot our accent. Over the first syllable. Now we have this word. We got to put our accent for the syllable. There we go. Gum. G. We're going to code the U. How do we code it? With a what? Well, it's followed by a consonant. So how do we code it? Breathe. Good job. Now we have our other vowel. And it's followed by a consonant, so it gets a breathe. So we have gums up and flip yam. Good job. So flip yam is a made-up word, but we can still divide it because it has a vowel pattern we know. The same goes for gums up. It still has a vowel pattern, so we're able to identify the syllables and code it. Good job, guys. You guys are awesome. All right, now I'm going to have you guys go ahead and get out worksheet 36. I want you to put your pencil up by number 1 and draw a line all the way down to 10. We're not going to do 1 through 10, so put a line through them. Now I want you to take your pencil out and put your finger by number 11. Number 11. Also, if you don't have your worksheet out yet and you're still trying to find it, pause and go get it and then put a line through 1 through 10. Otherwise, we're going to go on to number 11. Put your finger by number 11. We're going to practice spelling a word, okay? The word is 3. 3. I have 3 pets. 3. Pause if you need more time. Otherwise, put your finger next to number 12. Number 12. Number 12 is landed. I jumped off the bed and landed on my feet. Landed. Okay? Go ahead and pause if you need more time. Otherwise, we're going to move on. Now we're going to be practicing spelling words with the VCCV rule, the vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel rule that we learned today. So put your finger by number 13. Number 13. The word is insect. Insect. A ladybug is a type of insect. 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 Pause if you need more time. Otherwise, we're going to move to number 14. Okay, I want you to put your finger next to number 14. We're actually going to work on this one together. We're going to be using what we learned today to code this word. So first, what do we need to do? We need to identify the vowels. So let's look for the vowels. Okay. Oh. Vowel. Vowel. Okay, now we need to look for the consonants in between. How many consonants are in between the A and I in this word? Good. 1, 2. Consonant, consonant. So our vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Okay, now how do we code it? What do we do to code it? Good job. We gotta split it, whoop, just like that. And then the first syllable gets an accent. Now, how do we code the vowel? It's followed by what? Good. It gets coded with a breve. Okay, now we have our other vowel in the other syllable. And it gets coded with what? Good, because it's followed by a consonant. Good job. So now let's read our word. It says rabbit, rabbit. Good job, guys. So now I would like you to continue and code numbers 15 and 16 and match the word to the picture. Draw a line from the word to the picture that matches. All right, you guys are all set. Have a wonderful day.